Today on How to Sublimate, I'm going to show you how to print and press stubby coolers. Print your transfer using your sublimation printer, and then lint roll the surface of the stubby cooler to remove any excess fibres. And then place face down onto the printed transfer, ensuring it is aligned within the blade. Secure it in position using the heat-resistant tape. And on the base of the heat press, we will place the Nomex pad and cover it with Teflon or protective paper. This will create a raised area where we can place the stubby cooler and ensure the loop side of the Velcro falls into the gap. And then press with the recommended time, temperature and pressure. Once the timer has elapsed, open the heat press and remove the printed transfer from the stubby cooler. And once it is cooled, the product is complete. Thanks for watching, and remember full details on how to create these products, including time, temperature and pressure settings, can be found on the GJS knowledge base at help.gjs.co.